Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Cleaning your blinds, a pain in the butt, especially if you have a lot of them. There are a lot of windows in our home here, and you use your Swiffer duster and you realize they're not that clean after all. You kind of took a little bit of the dust up, but they're still dirty. By the way, this trick that I'm going to show you here today works on any type of blind. And here's the best part. You do not even need to remove your blinds and try to soak them in a bathtub and then let them dry out, which takes like 10 years. And these work fine for quick cleaning jobs, can lift a little bit of that dust up, but my friend, it doesn't really clean that well because there's a lot of grime, and if you have kitchen blinds, they're stuck on grease. Yes, so this is what you are going to need: some warm water in a bucket, a little bit of dish soap. You don't have to use Dawn, a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna pop that in right there. I'm gonna turn this off while I finish talking. You got one of these in your kitchen drawer? I bet you do. You can buy things like this on Amazon, but my friend, this trick I'm gonna show you here is even better. You need 2 sets of towels or 2 socks or 2 of something to wrap on the ends of these, and I do suggest having 2 rubber bands. I guarantee if you do all of your blinds with one of these and then you go in with the little trick that I'm about to show you, you are gonna pick up even more dirt. I don't hate this, but this isn't really clean that well. It just kind of pushes things around and sucks up a few particles. I mean, I like it, that's why I have them. But if you want a really good job, do this. Whoop whoop! Now that looks fun and entertaining. Yes, it does. Now we certainly could go in like this and get all the dust up, but let me just show you. This doesn't really work that well. I mean, we got it up. I had to do a ton of different strokes here. If I can get you in there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's not that clean. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and dip this in your warm sudsy water, and you're going to squeeze out any of the excess, much like you would if you were using a mop. And then it helps if you hold one side of the blind taut while you use it, but I'm just gonna do this one-handed. Now you can clean both sides of the blind. Yes, 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 yes. Fast, easy, quick. You will make this fun when it comes to cleaning your blind. See, look at that. I can see all the dirt coming up. Yes, this is why we wash things with water rather than just like microfiber towels all day, every day. You want to have a little moisture on there to help pick up all that grime that's been sticking on your blinds. Now, if I can get you in here, yes, you see right here, just from that blind that we did what I showed you, that is already dark, dark, dark. Once you are done making your round cleaning out the blind, I would go ahead and just wipe this down with a paper towel or something to dry everything up really nice, and then pick up any excess dirt that you have left over. This is the best, surest way to get those blinds looking like new again. If you have the honeycomb type blinds, again, just take a rag, dip it in the warm water and wipe it across the blind. No need to take everything down and deal with all of that. That would be a complete headache if you ask me. See what I mean? The little dusters, they're good, but they're not that good. All right, give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments box below if you have tried this. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.